We're gonna look at this Innova product that's being installed. It's an interesting type of air conditioning solution that can go and be mounted right into your exterior wall. So it has a minimal impact on doing things retroactively for our clients. Here's the Innova box. And this is what you get here. So this cassette gets mounted onto your wall, and then there's the ducting apparatus that gets put in right through your exterior wall. We've managed to hardwire this one for this client because we were doing renovations, but if you're doing this as a retrofit for your house, that could just simply plug into any sort of plug. This is the front of this guy once it's done. And then here you can see the grill, and that grill will be what's on top. So the air will be drawn in through the top here and out here. I just noticed myself, you can see here the condensate drain as well, which is very important. So really cool product, really, really ingenious, and definitely something that can be used for your own home to add air conditioning if you want it, and be relatively painless to do it. So this is what the outside looks like. So we've recently just installed this, and obviously there's gonna be a little trim board that goes here. That'll all get sealed up. But that's what it would look like on the outside of your house. So pretty clean, pretty simple, and very cost-effective way to get air conditioning for your house.
It operates quietly with sound levels ranging from 27 to 41 decibels inside. It's available in both vertical and horizontal orientations, making it adaptable to various room layouts. It provides both heating and cooling, with a cooling capacity ranging from 3,100 to 10,000 BTUs at 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and a heating capacity of 2,600 to 10,000 BTUs at 47 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 16 SEER rating, it's energy efficient and can even replace traditional electric baseboard heaters. The Innova 2.0 is built to last with a 2-year parts warranty and a 5-year warranty for the compressor, which is made by Panasonic. It's also remote controlled, providing easy and convenient operation. Starting at just $6,000 installed, the Innova 2.0 is perfect for renovations and multifamily dwellings.
I mean, what a great solution for retrofitting your home with air conditioning. I just love this product. It's great. We'll see how long it's in terms of like whether or not it stands the test of time or not. This is the first time we've used these products, but my gosh, what a great solution. So if you're thinking about putting air conditioning in your home after the fact, this doesn't need any sort of fancy wiring or anything like that. It'll plug right into a plug, or if you have the opportunity to hardwire it, you can do that so you don't have to see the cord going over to a spare plug. But honestly, what a great solution for cooling your home.